What's up, everyone? This is your friend Jagatjeet Singh, and you are watching Let's Go Travel Vlogs. Welcome to your own channel, and I would like to start with thanking each and every one of you who have watched my videos and subscribed to the channel. Thank you very, very much. Because of you guys, I am motivated and I keep on going. So, thanks a lot again. So, I was thinking that let's take some time and talk to you about myself, and here I am. So, all of you know my name is Jagatjeet Singh, and I'm from India, presently living in Winnipeg, Manitoba, in Canada. I'm born and brought up in Baroda, Gujarat, in India. I did my schooling and graduation there, and we were a family of five. My dad, my mom, my two elder sisters, and me. I was the youngest, so I was the spoiled one. Whatever my sisters would get, I would get it automatically. My elder sister lives in India, and my second sister lives in Australia. So my mom and dad are no more. I did my schooling and graduation in Baroda, Gujarat. Those who are watching from India, Gujarat know what I'm talking about. I studied in Baroda High School ONGC, and I did my BCom graduation Baroda from Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad University. So MS University we call it. After completing my graduation, I got my first job in an insurance company. It was a really good job and a good position, but was not for me, I guess, because I was complete failure in that job, guys. So it was a sales related job, but the job was really good. I was supposed to recruit advisors. I was required to manage a team of advisors, but I was not very good at it because I could not convince people, and I could not convince people to sell the products. So not for me. So I did work there around 6 months, and inside somewhere in my mind, I knew that I'm in the wrong place, I'm in the wrong job. But uh, before I could go find any other alternative, I had to leave that job because my mother was not keeping good, and I was not able to concentrate on many things. That's not an excuse, but I never shared it with anyone, but I'm sure that my entire family was going through that. When I left that job, then I did not go for any other job, guys. I waited for some time. I moved to New Delhi to my auntie's place, who was my mother's real sister. And then I lived in Delhi for around 5 to 6 years, like from 2007 till 2013. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 years, guys. So when I moved to Delhi, I was not sure what I'm going to do there. But the thing is, the life goes on and you need to keep going, right? So uh, I started looking for jobs. I still remember, like, I was there in, like, I reached Delhi on 26th of June. And till 7th of August, I didn't had any job, and it was really frustrating. But because of when you have family and you have some people who are supporting you and you are surrounded by their positivity, you get positive vibes from them, so you still keep on going. And I was able to fight that situation, and finally one day I got a job in a multinational corporation, and it was a really good company. I worked there for 5.5 years. I may be wrong. Found that job in 2007, and I was working there until I moved to Canada. Yes, guys. So that was only job I did in New Delhi. So that was it about my first job there, and first and last job there, actually. And after that, in 2011, I got married to Harpreet Kaur, my wife. Before I got married to her, I already applied for a permanent residence application, but it was rejected. Rejected because of my work experience, guys. So, if you are applying for any of the categories to travel to Canada, make sure you have a good experience and at least the criteria that is mentioned in the specific category. If they are asking you to have at least 2 years of experience, don't do that. You completed 2 years and then you apply. It's always good to have a good amount of experience over and above what is indicated in the application requirement. Okay, so yeah, first time it was rejected. Then we reapplied for it. It's the process says, I believe, after 6 months you can apply again. So we applied again, and by the time me and Harpreet got married, so what I did was I provided them with the passport and other documents of Harpreet, and the process was started again. Sometimes it's about the destiny, guys. So uh, I think the destiny was that me and Harpreet were supposed to travel to Canada together. Yeah, so that's why when I was single, my application didn't went through, and when we applied together, we were accepted and approved to immigrate to Canada. So on the side, we were still continuing with our regular routine life, and we were not thinking too much about like traveling or what will happen, what will not. We were just continuing with our daily routine life, and uh, the process went through, and whatever they required, they kept sending emails, and one day when I was checking my computer, I got an email of approval. Yes, so I got an approval email that your application for immigrating to Manitoba has been accepted, and there was a medical requirement list given, and they gave some clinic information where we can go for medicals. So then we followed that procedure. We applied for the medicals and then submitted our passports, and then we got the visa. So we both resigned from our jobs later on, and giving them a 3 months notice, and then after we were done serving our notice, we had some good quality time with our families, uh, and then finally we flight to Winnipeg, Manitoba in Canada on July 5th, 2013. Now we don't have many things that bother us or stress us about, because now we have very much stepped into our routine life in Canada. So uh, I have a good job now. Harpreet has a good job, and Meher is doing well. So we don't have anything to stress about. What I want to tell you is, if you have determined something and you have decided something, you have to be prepared and you need to keep going. One day you will succeed in what you are trying to achieve. It takes time and it takes your patience, guys. I have seen many people who have lost their faith or lost their interest in the things they wanted the most, just because they can't wait or they don't have patience. I have seen many people taking the wrong path to achieve things, and then uh, repent later. So I don't want any of you guys to lose hope or take a wrong path. Just be patient, follow the laws, follow the rules, and do your best. All you can do is try. Trying is the most important thing. So now I'm going to take your leave, and I will see you with the next video soon. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. If you are first time here on my channel, I would request you to consider subscribing. And if you are already my subscriber, thank you very much. and please hit the thumbs icon if you like the video, and please comment below the video to just let me know what kind of ideas or topics you would like me to cover, and I will definitely try to use my experience, my knowledge, and answer the best I can to you, and I'll make a short video for you. Till then, I will take your leave. That's your friend Jagatjit Singh. Uh, See you again in the next video. Bye bye.